You may have attended one of our talks or one of our workshops, in which case we may already have mentioned Lumina to you. Lumina Spark is a psychometric that we use extensively to help people raise their self-awareness, because once you understand yourself a little bit better, it makes you much more able to deal with other people and change your behaviour. So what do I mean by a psychometric? Lumina Learning have recently launched an app which is available for free, downloadable from Google Play or the Apple App Store. And I'd encourage you to download this onto your phone or other device so that you can actually start using the Lumina Splash app. What do I mean by psychometric? Psychometrics are based on your personality, and Lumina is very much a trait-based psychometric, and it takes very much a dynamic approach to personality, looking at what you're like in 3 different personas. Now the Splash app is a little bit more simplistic than this in that it stays at your overall persona, but it's a really good starting point, and as it's totally free to use, anybody can do it. The Lumina Splash is a graphical representation at the 3 personas level of Lumina Spark's 8 aspects, and it gives you a really good insight into what makes you tick. But it's also useful to understand how other people tick, because you can use it to look at not only your own profile but also that of colleagues, so that you can see how you interact with each other. If you've already got a full Lumina report, then you can import that into the Splash app and look at your 3 underlying personas as well. So it brings a bit of fun into it, and it enables you to use the Lumina language to be able to resolve any challenges or difficulties that you may be having with colleagues. So let me show you how it works. When you first open the app, it will get this screen, and you click on Start and you confirm you do not already have a Splash. It will then take you to this screen where you put in your name and then identify that you're completing this as part of a workshop or talk and put in the name Athena. Once you have put in the name Athena, you click on Start and it will take you through to the speed read page. You will be asked a few questions, and you'll be asked to swipe right for yes or agree and swipe left for no or disagree. There is no time limit on the questionnaire. Once you've finished, you will receive a notification like this. You will be asked a quick question to ask whether you want to participate in research. If not, the app will then calculate your Splash. You will see it appearing in front of you. If you want more information, then you click on one of the words around the outside. You can get more information, and then you can swipe round and look at some of the other aspects on the mandala. Once you have finished looking at this, it will go back to your Splash.